Hi there, my name is Junior and today I'm gonna compare two different products from two different companies in cosmetics at all. So I choose the both products of a line in Hairspray. First one I'm gonna talk about, it is the line of Charmin. Charmin, it is a hairspray from the company Class. It was founded recently. It was about 2004, if I remember correctly. It is a well-known company here in Brazil, and it is growing pretty faster, as I can say. And at the other side, we have the Got2b. Got2b. The name of the product, it is Got2b Phenomenal. The actual name of the company is pretty hard to spell because it is in Germany and I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna put it in the screen here somewhere. Well, this company, it was founded in Berlin. They have a lot of products in the area and is one of the most popular in the world because it is really good. And this is just a little introduction about both companies, and I'm gonna talk more about those products. So first I'm gonna talk about this one, that it is the Charmin hairspray. This is the biggest version. It contains 400 ml and it is the strongest one, this black one. Well, it's one of the best sellers here in Brazil when we're talking about hairspray. You can find it anywhere, like in a drugstore, for example. And the price, it is okay. Its price, it is 25 reais for this version, which contains 400 ml. And the small one, which it is just a half, you will pay around 20 reais. 20, around 20 reais for the small one. Well, the smell is really good, but there's one thing that I don't like at all of this, is her fixation. I actually put it in my hair 3 times a day, so it's not good at all. And I'm gonna compare this one with the Got2b hairspray line. That is way more efficient than this one, because the Got2b line is, how can I say, well, when I have the hairspray of the Got2b, I only use it 1 time a day, so at least last longer than Charmin. And a friend of mine bought it from Berlin to me, so he paid it really cheap. It was around 20 reais. But if you try to buy this product here in Brazil, you're gonna pay around, I don't know, I found it for 100 reais on the internet. Yeah. So if you buy here in Brazil, you actually see it is expensive. But in Berlin, it's just really cheaper. And the smell of the Got2b is way better. It is way better. And it is really strongest. I mean, I just put it one time in my hair and it keeps along the day. So for me, it was better. It was really better. And so as a conclusion, what I can tell to you was my recommendation for you to try out the Got2b. I know it is expensive, but if you have the opportunity to try it, just pick it up. It's really good, and I wish I could have more of this, because I mean, it's way better than this one. But here in Brazil, it's more accessible and it's cheaper. I mean, it's a kind of cheaper. So the conclusions about it is that the hairspray line of the Got2b is more expensive than the Charmin one, but in contradiction, it is way better. But it is this. The smell of the Got2b is better as well. But the only the really problem here, it is where you can find it, because you can just buy it online, or if you travel to Berlin, you can find it there everywhere. It's really famous brand. And that's it. That's just a small compare of both of the products. Here in Brazil, we have the Charmin one, which it is the best seller and it is the most famous. And across the world, we have in Berlin the Got2b, which it is way better. And if I could, I would bought. I mean, I will buy $1 million for the rest of my life, because it is perfect. But unfortunately, I don't have it here anymore. I just don't have the package. I threw it away. I'm gonna put the image of the hairspray here, so you can see what product I'm talking about. And if you like this product, you can search for it online. And that's it. Thanks.